Okay. Okay, well tell Mommy. You say, Mommy, I want to go down to the park. You tell her. Mommy, yes. Well, tell her. She's right here. You tell her. I want to go to the park and then go to the harbor. Yeah. Tell her what you just told me. Really? Well, tell your mom. She's right there. Tell her. Say, Mommy, I said I want to go to the park and to the harbor. Yes, I know. I know. I understand. Yeah. Oh, really? Okay, well, tell Mom. I totally understand, but you should need to tell Mom because Daddy's going to work. Tell Mom. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. I got... Oh, you got the hiccups now.